Hi, I'm Eric Blake. I'm a boat builder at Brooklyn Boatyard. Years ago, friends and I started Off Center Harbor to bring you inside the world of wooden boats and introduce you to some of the people involved in the creation of them. If you like this video, there's hundreds more. Just follow the link in the description below.
Okay guys, we're going to walk down this old logging road, which is not a designated trail, but we can make our way in there. And I stashed a canoe in there that you're going to use. A lot of times you see moose in there. If you don't see moose, sometimes you see an osprey or a marsh hawk or a deer, something pretty cool. But it's a beautiful area. So that's where we're going. You see these white flowers in the water? Yeah. When you paddle by them, make sure you pick one and smell it. It's the sweetest smelling thing in the North Woods. It's a water lily, northern water lily. So you can paddle up this way, and there's these little channels and little kind of logans and what we call bogans up here. And you can probably paddle for almost a mile up there. It's pretty interesting even if you don't see a moose. But try to be as quiet as you can.
I'm gonna sit right here under this tree. Sit right here under this tree and just be. I'm gonna stay in the shade here for a while, right here in the shade for a while. And if trouble comes to find me, I'll just lay back and smile.
I've been looking for a place to take my kids. A place that's remote and where we can hike and climb mountains and swim in streams and maybe trout fish. Where we could just show up with the boat, put it on the beach, and it's there waiting, ready, anytime we want to go out. A place where the kids can play and swim. And when the wind is just right, they can take the boat out off somewhere across the horizon that they've never been before and have that uncertain feeling of not knowing exactly where you're going or what's going to be there when you get there.
Yeah, just listen to the song on the breeze. Just listen to the song singing on the breeze. That's just the universe through the cottonwood leaves.
So I'd love to just come up here and hear the water lapping on the shore. If you're lucky enough to hear the loons at night, I just love the quiet.
She caught her first trout.
I caught my
ever.
first trout. I didn't think I wanted to catch fish. I always just kind of went fishing with him and, watched him fish.
I'm gonna sit right
I
here
liked it. I might be hooked.
under this tree. Sit right here under this tree and just be. Just be.
This is an environment where intimacy grows very quickly, and people are always relaxed. They're their best selves at a place like this. It's a quiet place, and quiet is something that's getting hard to find.
So we found our place. And it's always amazing to me how great a small boat is at bringing us close to the natural world. Perhaps the best thing about boats is the way they bring us close together with the people we love and keep us right in the moment to just be.
Thanks for watching this video by Off Center Harbor. If you like it, there's hundreds more. Just follow the link in the description below.